How to make Outlook show my replies. So here I am in the Outlook application. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and go to an email thread. So for example, I can just search thread right here because I have a previous email thread in my inbox. And then as you can see, there is an email thread right here, but I can't see all of the other replies that I replied to this thread. So this is because I need to scroll down and then I need to find my previous replies. So as you can see, they are not grouped in one email. So if you want to show your replies in one group so that it makes it easier for you to access emails, what you can do is that you can just go to File, go to Settings, from here go to Mail, and then here in the Layout page, just scroll down until you see Message Organization. So you have three options. You have Do Not Group Messages, which is what we have right now. So that's why the emails are separated. Next, we have Group Messages by Conversation or Group Messages by Branches within Conversations. So these two are pretty similar. So the difference is that if you branch out to a different person within the conversation, it will also just be displayed right there. But again, just choose what you want. So for example, I'll choose this one, Group Messages by Conversation. Click Save. Now close this. Now as you can see, the email thread is now all compacted in one place or all collected in one place. So as you can see, now I can see all my replies right here. So I don't need to scroll down anymore just to find that specific reply. I can already see everything right here. All my replies and all of the replies of the other user. And then you can just go ahead and access all of the replies right here. And then this makes it easier to manage your emails because all of the email subjects or all of the email threads is already grouped or categorized in one place. So that's why you don't need to manually find them anymore. And then as I said, we had the other option. You can also use that, which is this one, the group messages by branches within conversations. So if I go ahead and use that, so basically nothing changes. So it will just change if, for example, you branch out to a different conversation within this email thread. But as I said, that is it. That is how we can make Outlook show your replies in an email thread. And then that is it. So I hope you learned how to do it. And thank you for watching.